In this video, we are learning how to make this slide in PowerPoint that can be used anywhere. So, without wasting time, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select around a rectangle, drag it like this. Drag the yellow dot to the right side. Rotate, duplicate 4 of the shape and set them like this. Select all, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Then select 4 shape. Go to Merge Shape and select Union. Click on right button, copy it and go to View tab. Click on Slide Master, select and delete. Paste here. Click on Insert Placeholder, select Picture, drag it. Send to Back. Click on Outside. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Intersect. Click on Slide Master and close Master View. Click on New Slide. Select this title slide. Click icon to add picture. Here I have downloaded picture from Google. Select and insert it. Go to first slide. Select this and this. Copy using Ctrl C. Go to second slide and paste here. Click on right button. Go to Fill. Click on Gradient Fill. Select Preset Gradients. Select one by one and choose a color using Eyedropper. Also select background color. Go to first slide. Group using Ctrl G. Go to Format. Choose color from Shape Fill. Cut using Ctrl X. Paste here as image. Go to Format. Go to Color and select this. Cut using Ctrl X. Go to second slide. Paste here. Send to back and adjust like this. Whatever PPT you are creating, highlight the information here. Select this text box. Go to Animation tab. Apply floating animation. Also increase the duration size. Select this. Apply split animation. Go to Effect option. Select Horizontal in. Select Start after previous. Also increase the duration size. Select this text box. Apply floating animation. Go to Effect option. Select Float down. Select Start after previous. Also increase the duration size. Select this. Apply wipe animation. Go to Effect option. Select from left. Select Start after previous. Also increase the duration size. Select and click on Animation Painter and apply on this. Go to Effect option. Select from bottom. Select this. Apply wipe animation. Select Start after previous. Also increase the duration size. Select this and this. Apply floating animation. Select this. Go to Effect option. Select from top. Go to Animation Pane. Click on Effect option and increase bounce end and then OK. Select Start after previous. Also increase the duration size. Select Shadow Picture. Apply fade animation. Also increase the duration size. Now let's go to full screen. So look how beautiful your animation looks. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.